Hello, my name is Klavs and welcome to another Mazda 6 video. Roll the intro, let's go! Universal roof bars, cheap and cheerful. If you ask me how cheap, this is invoice from the Euro car parts and it's $49.99. So as I need to pick some stuff up with my Mazda and I thought it won't fit in the car, I'm gonna attach something to the car to make it transportable or movable by Mazda. But first things first. Now let's check what's in the box. What's in the cheapest roof bars for Mazda 6 GH. Maximum load capacity is 75 kilos.
Wow.
Phew, to get use roof bars. Lightweight aluminum or aluminium. Supplied with 4 keys. Heavy duty anti-theft locking. Max load 75. Durable design. Yeah, basically you have your info and you get your 2 roof bars. They are cheap, lightweight and cheerful. So that's what's in the box. I have a little suggestion for you all. If you want to buy this, I would recommend to ditch this. Once you want to tighten this will eat in your finger. Trust me, it will eat in your finger. So I would recommend a simple set, 5 on a wrench and just wrench it on, or even better, if you have an impact drill. This will make your job much faster and you will see why. I'll show you even why.
There are 2 things you need to know. There are 3 or 4 types of roof bars, how they attach. And this one you see, it's attaching to the roof rack. That's already installed by factory. There are some that attaches to the body of the car, not to the roof racks. So be very careful what kind of roof bars you're getting. Secondly, the length of the roof bars should be 120 centimeters. They sell in different sizes, 105 centimeters, 120 centimeters, and rarely there is 130 or 140. You don't need any of them apart from the 120. 120, as you see, fits the car perfectly well. Hopefully you have the tools and you don't have to use the dumb key, because that will eat your finger away.
And that's all. That's how I install roof racks on Mazda 6. Hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.